3D printing. Are 3D printers still the future? The advent of 3D printing technology has ushered in a new era of innovation and production. With the ability to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs, 3D printers are poised to revolutionize various industries and shape the future in unprecedented ways. Manufacturing and supply chain disruption. 3D printers have the potential to disrupt traditional manufacturing and supply chains. By enabling decentralized production, they can reduce reliance on global manufacturing hubs and streamline the distribution process. This decentralized approach empowers individuals and small businesses to create customized products on demand, leading to reduced waste, lower costs, and increased product accessibility. Healthcare advancements. The healthcare sector stands to benefit significantly from 3D printing technology. It has already shown promise in the production of personalized medical devices, prosthetics, and implants. With further advancements, 3D printers could revolutionize organ transplantation by generating biocompatible organs and tissues. This breakthrough could alleviate the global organ shortage crisis and enhance patient outcomes by reducing transplant rejection rates. Design and prototyping. In the realm of design and prototyping, 3D printers offer unparalleled opportunities. They allow designers to rapidly iterate and test their ideas by creating physical models with ease. This capability enhances the creative process, promotes innovation, and reduces time to market for new products. As a result, designers can explore intricate and complex designs that were previously challenging to produce, leading to groundbreaking advancements across various fields, from architecture and automotive design to fashion and consumer electronics. Education and personal. 3D printers have the potential to transform education by providing hands-on learning experiences. Students can bring their ideas to life, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking. By integrating 3D printing into curricula, educational institutions can prepare students for future careers and industries that heavily rely on this technology. Moreover, the accessibility and afford of 3D printers have enabled hobbyists and enthusiasts to explore their passions, cultivate technical skills, and turn their ideas into tangible objects, democratizing the realm of innovation and personal development. In conclusion, the impact of 3D printers on the future is poised to be profound. From disrupting traditional manufacturing to revolutionizing healthcare, design, and education, 3D printing technology is transforming industries and empowering individuals. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect even greater breakthroughs and an exciting future shaped by the limitless possibilities of 3D printing.